In this video, I'd like to talk about some of the options that are available for sorting data. One thing that you may have done before, if I just were to take a block of data and move it out to a different page, you may be familiar with clicking on this particular field here that says sort and filter and sorting a list of data, whether it be alphabetic or numeric, and sort it from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. But we can do more than just that. With this particular block of data that I'm working with, I want to sort by many things all at the same time. So I'm going to type Control A, select the entire set of data here, and the first thing I want to do is sort by salesperson, then by product. So those are both words, and so I want to sort that alphabetically, then by units sold, which is numeric, and then oldest to most recent, that's going to be based on dates. So if I go under sort and filter and click on custom sort, what I can do is first select the column that has the salespeople's names in it, which is name, and I want to sort it from A to Z. Now I want to add a level, so after it does that, I want to sort by product, and that product and the column name for that is product, and I'll sort that alphabetically as well. The next thing I want is units sold, so I'll add another level, and I'll go with units, and this is values, and I'll sort it from smallest to largest. And then lastly, I want to sort by the date, and I'll go from oldest to newest as it suggests. And upon doing that, I'm able to see that Ashley is the first salesperson listed, that the product that is listed first within the group of Ashley sales is eyeliner, and if I scroll down we can see that foundation comes afterwards, which is later in the alphabet. Then there's units sold. We can see that it starts with -1, and I'll zoom in here a little bit, and then it gets larger, so that's sorted correctly. And then lastly, within that we have it sorted by date, and one of the things that you can see is where there are 3 different rows that have the exact same number of units sold, which in this case these were returns, that the dates that are listed there are in increasing order. Okay, having done that, we have another way to sort this. If I scroll down in this name column, some of the entries have highlighted fields. For example, there's a red one there that I just went past. There's a yellow one. Okay, so I believe we have green, yellow, and red in there. And in addition to sorting by normal things, we can also sort by visual cues. So if I highlight this table again and pull up that custom sort option, I'm going to delete all of these levels, add a level, and say I want to sort by, and it's within the name column, but instead of sorting by values, I want to sort by cell color, and it determines what are the different cell colors that are available in there, and it notes that there's green and yellow and red, and so those were all listed. I can click this button right here that says copy level, and that will give me yellow as my next option, copy level again. That way I don't have to fill in everything, and I can click red next. Now if I wanted to, instead of putting all of these things at the top of the list, I could do something like put the green first, and then the yellow second, and then the red at the bottom, and then all of the leftovers would be between the yellow and the red. As it stands currently, it'll list green, yellow, red, and then everything else in the data set. And that's exactly what we see after we perform the sort operation. On this next page, what we're able to see is a list of months, and listing months is something that we would know how to do because of prior experience, but if we tried to sort this alphabetically, it wouldn't work out well at all. In fact, if I click there and I say sort A to Z, well, that doesn't look right because February is coming after August, and that wouldn't be correct. Or if I go Z to A, that's not right either. And so what we could do is go to custom sort, and we'll just stick with the column that we're in. And instead of ordering it A to Z or Z to A, we'll click on custom list, and there are some options that we can use that are predefined. And since these are 3-letter month abbreviations, I'll click on that, click OK, and it sorts it according to the list that I have predefined. Now, it's also possible that by using this custom sort feature, you can actually create your own lists, and it'll be added to the thing on the left. So if you have ways that you like to order things based on a set of words that are maybe specific to the context that you're working in, you can create that. Next, we have a list of stock returns from the year 1928 to 2001, and the entries here have been enhanced with a colorful icon with green arrows pointing up, meaning over a 20% return that year, yellow meaning that there was between a negative 20% and a positive 20% return, and red meaning that it's below 20% return. Or at least I thought that's what it was until I just looked at that one. At any rate, you kind of get the idea. And what I can do is highlight all of that data and then select custom sort, and I want to sort on column B because that's where my icons are found. And within column B, rather than sorting on values, I can sort on cell icon, and I want to do green first. I'll copy the level followed by yellow, copy the level followed by red. And so now I've sorted both based on numerous things, both based on text, based on cell color, and also based on icon.